Hello friends! Today, Miss April's going to teach you how to make art paint with no cooking involved. Make sure and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. And always remember, stay unique. Let's get to the ingredients. For this recipe, you will need a half a cup of salt, a half a cup of warm water, a half a cup of flour, a container for mixing, a spoon, also coloring for your paint, and a container to put your paint in. I'm going to use a muffin tin, and to mix my individual colors, I'm going to use toothpicks, but you can also use a spoon. Let's get to mixing. First, I'm going to dissolve the salt in the warm water. Make sure to be careful during this process. If your water is too warm, parents, you might want to do this step. I'm going to pour in my salt, half a cup. Stir to help the salt start to get dissolved. Once the salt is dissolved, we can go ahead and add in our flour. My salt is almost dissolved, so I'm going to go ahead and add in the flour, a half a cup. We're going to go ahead and stir until we get a nice smooth consistency. If it's a little too thick, you can go ahead and add a little bit more water. I went ahead and added in about 1/4 of a cup more water to get a more liquidy consistency. You want to try to get most of the lumps out, but if there's a couple lumps, that should be fine. Let's go ahead and get it in our muffin tin. Today I used a muffin tin for my paint, but remember you can use an ice cube tray, an empty water bottle with a funnel, any kind of small plastic or glass storage container to put your paint in. Go ahead and add your coloring. I went with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Remember, you can use toothpicks or small spoons for stirring. The colors look awesome. Let's see how it looks on paper. I'm going to start with red. Looks great. Our last color, purple. Our rainbow looks beautiful. And always remember, guys, stay unique.